One of our biggest initiatives over the last few years has been to automate as much as possible so that we can process, increase our capacity, and support our customers as much as we can.
With MasterControl and its customization capabilities, we were able to customize the solution to meet our processes. But once we actually were able to pilot the very first rendition of it, it was a home run, love at first sight.
Some batch records that we've developed, especially at GenCure, they can be 400 or 500 pages long, have over 2,000 to 3,000 manual entry points. Each one of those manual entry points is an opportunity for failure. So the electronic batch records has really allowed us to ensure that our scientists are focusing on the work that they're doing and not so much have to worry about, an entry error here or making sure that the information is captured.
Historically, for our cadaveric tissue review, it would take maybe about an hour to an hour and a half. We've been able to reduce that to roughly 5 to 15 minutes.
We were looking for something that was easy to set up, easy to use, gave us a consistency in the quality and had the functionality we were looking for, and MasterControl gave us all of that.
MasterControl was by far the best end user interface that we could find, and that was very, very important to us. You can find everything with a click of a button.
With a tablet, it just comes up, punch it in, easy. A lot better than flipping 2 or 3 pages and writing down errors and writing down things that you find. And this is just more efficient. It's just more convenient.